In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Ads Manager account. To do this, just go and open up a browser, and from there, go and search for Google Ads Manager account, and then click on the first link that says Manage Clients and Campaigns with Manager Accounts. And then from there, click on Go to Manager Accounts, and then from there, just go and sign in using your Google account. Now from there you may run into this message that says, "We are sorry, but you do not have access to Google Ads, and this is specifically for managers." And the reason for that could be that your Google Workspace subscription may no longer be active. Now if you don't run into that message, you should go to this page. And I'm not sure why I got that message on the other account, because on this account I'm also not paying for the Google Workspace. So what I would recommend is trying a different Google account, and then it should take you to confirm your business information. So here just choose your account display name, and then the primary use of the account, you can set it to manage other people's accounts or manage your own accounts. Then you can set the billing country, time zone and currency, and then from there select that you are not a robot. And then after doing that, you want to go and click on submit, but since I already have a manager account with this email address, I have already reached the limit for creation of manager accounts, but for you, you will be able to click on submit from here. So just go to the Google Ads Manager webpage, and from there click on get started, and then sign in with a Google account, and then here enter your details, select if you want to manage other people's accounts or your own, and then click submit. So that's how to create a Google Ads Manager account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.